Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I gotta install some signposts, which is not a normal thing for me, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So I got these really heavy duty, I don't know what to call them, U-channel off of Amazon. Hopefully you can see that. And they came with an angle already on one end. And so there's three of them. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut one in half. I gotta add an angle to the other end, and the angle helps it drive into the ground easier. I was gonna put a point on them maybe, but I'm gonna try it with this first, and if I gotta add a point, I'll do that. So here's everything you're gonna need to do this job. The posts, some stainless steel hardware to attach the post and to attach the post to the short piece. These nuts and bolts use a 1/2 inch socket, and then a wrench to hold the other side of the bolt. You're going to need a marker to measure where you're going to cut it, a tape measure, glasses, safety earmuffs, and then a grinder with a cutoff wheel. And of course you're going to need a sledgehammer to get this thing into the ground. So to do this, I'm going to cut them down using a grinder and with a cutting wheel. So there's different grinding wheels for whatever you're going to use. This one in particular says cutting wheel right on it. So hopefully this works really well. Of course, I'm going to want safety glasses as well as earmuffs because this is going to be loud and messy. So let's give this a shot and see how this part works. And then we'll go out to the road and figure out where we're going to put them in. All right, so this is the one I did, and this is the one that came from the factory. I don't know if it's any better or worse that I cut mine more. I guess we'll find out when I start driving it in. Now I just have to cut this in half, which it's 6'1". So I need to go 3 foot 1/2 inch right there. And I'm just going to do the same thing and cut through that. I'm going to cut through this and then flip it over. That way I can have it on the solid surface here. So now I've got my two pieces. What I'm going to do is hammer these into the ground and use a level to try to make sure that they're nice and in the right spot. And then I've got a bag of stainless steel hardware so that I'm going to attach. Once this is driven into the ground with some sticking up, I'll attach the other post to that and then attach the sign to that. So here we go. All right, so now we're ready to hammer these things in. I'm going to set them with a level so that I can make sure that they're going in pretty straight. I'll be able to adjust it to a degree, but probably not once it's in most of the way. So I want to make sure that I'm doing that right off the bat. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this even with this mailbox post as close to the driveway as I can get it. So I'm going to go about 1 foot from the post and use a sledgehammer and try to keep it perpendicular with the road. And check for level. Give it a little more hammering going on here. All right, it's pretty good. So Now I've got a bigger sledgehammer to get it in the rest of the way. And I'm gonna leave it sticking up about a foot like that and just start attaching my hardware. All right, so I got a bunch of different hardware here. I've got short screws and long screws. And these are gonna get signs on both sides. So the hole's actually lined up, that's perfect. It's gonna go like this. Line up all the holes. Get a set of long ones here. And I don't think it matters which way you do it, but just keep it consistent. I'm gonna go this way. So I've got the bolt, a washer, a lock washer, and a nut. And just so you can see what I'm doing over here, I'll flip this one over. So same thing, line up all these holes. Washer, a lock washer, a nut. First try. And then I just gotta tighten everything down. Got a wrench to hold on the other side. And it's kind of bending the sign, so let's not too tight. All right, so now I'm ready to put this on. And I've just got the shorter set of screws. I'm just gonna set this right on the ground so it's right at 6 foot. So same thing, I'm just gonna stick them through. And tighten them up. All right, well that's it. Super simple, easy to do. And now this business has a nice entrance sign. These are reflective, so people can see at night. And now that it's not even nighttime, it's I don't even think it's 4 o'clock and the sun's about to set. So just in time, we'll be able to see what these look like at night. But that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. See you on the next video. Bye.